Boy. My wife wants to butcher some chickens today. She needs hot water in order to scald them to take the feathers off, I guess. This is not the thing I normally do. So I took an old washing machine tub, wash machine I had to disassemble in order to take out of the house. So my dad had put it in there before he built the walls on the house. So I've since built a door on the house, so I could put the next washing machine in there. So, not sure which the way the wind's blowing here. I want to make sure the camera is upwind, not downwind. See if I can get her a fire going. Hi, you want to go in the house, baby? How did you get locked out? I have a lot of scrap wood because we're surrounded by trees for one thing. And the other thing is, let me see what I go in there. No, it doesn't want to go in there. There we go. With the sawmill and stuff, most of it's softwood, but I think we can still get some good coals in here that will heat up the water for her. Okay, well, we'll get that going. And then, I don't have a grate for this, so I'll set this re-rod over that and use these refrigerator grates. Probably don't even need that, really, just the re-rod. I think the last time we did the re-rod, but we used the other burn spot. Ooh. So I just made this, and the good thing about it is it lets air in from the sides. And the bad thing about it is it lets air in from the sides. But it's nice and tall, and so should be able to make a nice hot fire without too much danger of starting a fire in the surrounding area. So when I get all the paint and stuff burnt off it and find myself a grate for it, I think I'd be good for doing some cooking.